How to create tortoiseshell nails using OPI nail lacquer. First, apply a base coat. Then apply 1 to 2 coats of Baby Take a Bow. Then, using a dotting tool, dot on some random shapes using Suzi Needs the Loch-Smith and You Don't Know Jacques. Then create a jelly shade using clear top coat and Suzi Needs a Loch-Smith. Use the bottle brush to mix well, and then apply that directly on top of the shapes that you just dotted on. This gives it a nice layered look. If you need to, use a Q-tip and some nail lacquer remover to clean up any messes. Then, using your dotting tool, dot on some more shapes using Black Onyx. Allow that to dry, then apply your top coat. Always cap the free edge to help with longevity. And there you have it, a nice fall tortoiseshell mani.